Okay, so you're scrolling through your phone and you see a link. Maybe it's a meme. Maybe it's a news story. Maybe it's something your friend swears will change your life. You tap it. But have you ever wondered what actually happens the moment your finger hits that link? Let's pull back the curtain on the unseen web. First, your tap sends a tiny signal from your device to your internet browser. Think of it like sending a letter. Your phone says, "Hey, can you grab this page for me?" Your browser takes that request and starts looking for the address of the website you want to visit. But it doesn't just know where to go. It has to ask a special phone book of the internet called DNS, the Domain Name System. DNS figures out the weird string of numbers, called an IP address, that actually points to the website's home. Once your browser has the address, it knocks on the website's door, literally sending a request to the server where the site lives. If the server is awake and happy, it sends back the web page piece by piece. Images, text, videos. It's all sent in little packets, zooming across the internet at lightning speed, straight to your device. But wait, there's more happening behind the scenes. Most websites use cookies, tiny files that remember who you are and what you've done. Some cookies are helpful, like saving your login info. Others, they're just there to track you for ads. And if you're clicking a link from social media, the app might tell the website where you came from, sometimes even what you were looking at before you clicked. And here's a twist. Sometimes clicking a link doesn't just load a page. It might trigger scripts that check if you're a real person, or even load other hidden links in the background. That's why you sometimes get those annoying pop-ups or see ads for things you just Googled. So in just a split second, your click sets off a digital relay race, requesting, translating, fetching, tracking, displaying. It's kind of wild, right? All that, just from a simple tap. So next time you click a link, remember, you're not just opening a page. You're starting a journey across the invisible wires of the web with a whole team of digital helpers working behind the scenes. The internet is like magic, but now you know the trick. If you found this cool, hit that like button. Share what surprised you most in the comments below. See you in the next video.